Hey everyone, today I'll play three different mouthpieces with the Jsax uh, by Nuvo plastic saxophone. The first one, original mouthpiece by Jsax, plastic one. You can insert it as deep as you want. Amazing Grace. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Selmer Super Session 7 tip opening with Vendoring Reed Green Box 2.5. So I realize it's a little tough to, okay, so we have to grease it then next time. Well, let's play Amazing Grace. Okay guys, so huge difference. Now I'm gonna try my last mouthpiece that I will share with you today. I just have two soprano saxophone mouthpieces. So the last one is Drake Son of Slant. Son of Slant 8 opening. Right. So, oh, this one is easier to insert, and it comes with a ring that holds the reed, same reed as earlier. Okay. There we go. Amazing Grace. Okay, guys, so I'm sorry if I played it differently because I can't read. I just play by ear, and I don't remember how I played it the first time, so I just play the way I feel it. Well, I hope this video helped you. You can comment below, and if you want me to cover some other stuff with this instrument, then please let me know. Thank you guys for watching. You do whatever you want, guys. Subscribe or go to the next video. I'll see you later. God bless you.